Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Edge this generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the VVT solenoid fuses are located on that generation Ford Edge, we will explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So for the Vvt solenoid, which fuses we need to check, we will guys demonstrate on this generation Ford Edge here. Now, quick advice guys, most people that own that SUV, that Ford Edge, do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location Ford Edge. For the Vvt solenoid fuses on Ford Edge, we need to open the hood and facing the engine on the right side here. That work for the 4 and 6 cylinder engines. You have a fuse box, that's your car battery, next to it is the fuse box. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now that fuse, the fuses that we need to check, multiple fuses, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Now, those fuses are for variable timing solenoids guys, also known as Vvt solenoid fuses. If you want to see how to replace Vvt solenoid, how to test Vvt solenoid on Ford Edge, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. Check it out, how to test and how to replace one as well guys. Now, multiple fuses will need to be checked here because they're for engine management functions, and we're talking about first fuse 67 here, 68, 69, 70. All these 4 fuses will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 90, fuse number 86 here, and then guys you need to open your driver door on your Ford Edge, come under the dash here in the footwell compartment. You have a parking brake panel, hood open lever, behind it you have a cover, open it and you're going to find the interior fuse box. Here we'll need to check one more fuse, okay, and if you come in that row right here, it's the very last fuse, known as fuse number 18, the 10M fuse guys. That one will need to be checked in addition to the other ones for Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.